Hi, Steve Watson with Steve's Earth Engine, Cedar Composter. I'm going to show you how to assemble in a very simple way your composter. This is the double bin, and I will say that upon request we have instructions that go beyond our little packet here, our instruction guide here with the necessary hardware inside, but I'll show you all those things right now. And we're going to start out by loosening up the wire and the cardboard shoe that holds these all together when we're shipping. So I'm going to pull this out and untwist some wire, and we will release that wire, throw it over there. And then this is the shoe that comes out. You'll see 4 of those. I'm just taking out one for you. And then this composter wants to spread out now, so we're going to do that. In order to do that, you're going to rotate the outside frames 180 degrees, and I'll show you the first one. It's just going to pull out like this, and we'll turn it around. And the same thing goes with the second one. And those bars that looked like they were in a zigzag fashion are now in a line so that they create the back structure, the back support for the composter. Later on we'll be putting in the slats to create the structure in front, but right now we're going to take the 2 sides of the back screen and I'm going to attach it on both ends to get it started. We won't put the whole thing together because your time is valuable, that's all. So you're going to come up and get a look at how we begin this. In the center frame, it's about a 1/4 inch from the top, and I want to repeat that on both sides so that everything lines up to make a sturdy and solid backing for us. So I'm going to pull these out, get them ready. Same with this one over here. And I'm going to get my hammer and a couple poultry staples. These are horseshoe nails, and we'll get those attached. Basically, I want to stretch it a little bit, but because this is a flexible screen, you don't need to worry too much about, you know, how straight it is, because you may actually get some more volume out of the deal. So I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to go diagonally across the screen, and we'll just tap that in. Of course, fumble fingers here will get it. Okay, and I'm only going to do that much right now, so you can see that's holding. And that's going to be about a 1/4 inch, and we'll do it on the other side really quick. Same storyline. We want to get it about a 1/4 inch from the top. And I'm not going to pound those in all the way, but that's the basic idea.
Can I just ask you a question?
Sure.
Would you leave it like that for now, or would you have pounded it all the way in if you were going to be setting it?
I only pounded it that far in order for you to see the basic idea of how to get the nail started, and that's. But I mean, ultimately, it's going to go entirely into the frame, and it goes all the way down. So you have poultry staples in your packet that will go every 5 inches or so. It's about 5, all the way down to the bottom. So that'll create a sturdy barrier for your compost.
Right, but if you were putting it together right now in your yard, like a customer might be, you would have pounded that one all the way in?
It would go all the way in.
Okay,
the
okay.
nails have to be fastened all the way in.
Okay.
All right, and so, good question, and I would say that's about it for this part of the construction process. We'll see you in the second video for the connection in front for all the slats. All right, see you later. Talk to you soon. Bye.